Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Tinder sign up not working. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tinder is an excellent platform for meeting new people from all over the world. If you're trying to create a new account on Tinder, but it is not letting you do that, then here are some fixes you could try out to resolve the issue. To create a new account on Tinder, you'll need to provide your mobile number. If you don't have a mobile number with you, there is no way you can sign up for a Tinder account. So, while signing up for Tinder, always make sure to choose the country code correct and type in a valid mobile number as well. If you enter a wrong mobile number, you won't be able to verify your number and it'll not let you sign up for a new Tinder account. Another thing you can do is to check if you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data network. Try connecting to a strong and stable internet connection while signing up for your Tinder account. If you are still not being able to create a Tinder account, the next thing to do is to go to the application settings on your phone. Tap Settings from your mobile device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage from the General category. Scroll down until you find Tinder application in the display and give it a tap once you find it. Now, tap on Offload App and tap on Offload App from the pop-up beneath. Once you do that, tap on Reinstall App back again and wait until the application gets reinstalled. This will free up storage used by the app and clear out your cache data from the Tinder application. Once the application gets reinstalled on your iPhone, open the app and see if that makes any kind of a difference. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to try updating your Tinder application. To do that, tap open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Tinder and perform your search. If you see an update button right next to Tinder, it means you've not updated to the latest version of Tinder application. Simply tap Update in order to do that. If you see an open button, it means your application is already updated and you don't need to do that right now. Once you update the application to the latest version, go and tap open your Tinder app and try continuing with the sign up process. After following all of these steps, you might be able to solve your Tinder sign-up error. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're not being able to sign up with Tinder on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.